President knows about this, and that's why he says, I'm too old to be corrupt. I'm not going to steal your money, because he knew his relatives would steal the money for him. And that's exactly what's happening. He can go to a plush retirement because of Oyata and Gabi, and everybody will look after him. Bumpty and Co will all look after him. President knows about.
Yes, for video way. Michelle, I'm a boy here. The time me video way, because and transi way I transi. I me perceive maybe a video way na what you want say. Mahama nini Ibrahim Mahama. The omode ye Ghana man. The message about mother yan to was here. Not me no nyina. Yemfa program way and she shares on any man in your friend. Yebesha see a dear free. But Ibrahim Mahama be dear kunya first time. Our Ghana my moon. The only bra Ibrahim Mahama muye. The personal ambitions. Ebeka safa home. And the mandema be announced Nimia a president take advantage of that. Ebeka safa home. Here we are Namedowaba this time. John Mahama administration. Niema Bia Ibrahim Mahama and Sa Aka Ewa Bangwim. Now Mabisa was doing saying by consequences and now say something is behind. Now I don't want to go the message to was here. Now I know you show na kasam. And church the Mudia John Mahama wants to opposite Ghana your economy no and the family no person handle our economy. Because Serrano and all the budget you are John Mahama why ya so budget the baby the all can say he wants the mining site to become the engine, the main engine of our economy. Yeah, now what shall I say? So the ordinary area or mining site. So yeah, Sani mo wuna na mabuabu ano maybe church and never be you know betting komo. He be told records to be no more. Now how Ibrahim Mahama na bambu no mama wo. He came here just to make himself rich and his family. Where Mati send this if we don't have a bontra or more propaganda than be. Sa propaganda na yemesre. And I say now no Independence Day no. You deal with 1.5 million cities and it's a Ibrahim Mahama ya bampa or cut cost. Now, what we know, government expenditure in some times, it is needed. It shows how Nkrofo we mpese Ghana for but and now banwe wafa kwambi obefa so bia agigi sike war system no afri abanfo nsem and agogo bank. Just because he want to appreciate himself for Kwambiso. And to a Jessica Filamanfo, Krumana and Jessica, Sika was sister Nina Mahama and or Majin in Filamanfo. Tell me a Passampana concern. And tell now Namia say dollar buffer. People are not doing nothing. I'm for any and on a make said the Anaboa Bafoma, and the Anamanfo and Peguho, a manful Yesicano Modia Toby. Everything in the country is going down. Why? Because of one person. I dream money, I want it. Now, you didn't come out actually, because what is happening in the country, I was saying Kasam Faho, and I am in Kwana was saying Kasam Faho. Was a Menunia Yankasam Famo Kwambiso because said Musi and manage system, Yan year, a bedroom babino, not Yachichi and Sago Buyachi, and then Unim said, Be your dog, bro, Ghana, mine, Naburu yen Tuminto, Yanton, Otoy and talk. And this if our causes a brew, afirman foforo bi so de abegu market no at a cheaper price and omugu akuafo no grofo and Tomona Mokachos are Brubu Abafom. They don't know they are killing the indigenous businesses. I know. To when they Omono, there be a mecase, sa part in especially Papa will not take with national or no any intention be say, oh, but yet Juma be my men know we have one to Mahama had an agenda or could find boxer the man in here. And people buying a veggie free in some, and until our son buy, and I'll buy or come mine inside. My young character will show more 4 years on bed my neck. And this year buying Eddie to me titru and a home titru a come mine inside because and this year bang way percent the economy of the country on shifting into mining sector. That be of course he want Ghanaians to take a leadership in the mining sector and what project so you know this man wants actually to capture the state. But in any case, what else ya mo kwaba ye momura na yeni nkomo kakra abusiafo Nano meti say Yura John Mahama Nimia Ibrahim Mahama meti say wakwakoto a private jet e dia bagana yesi otono $70 million. I didn't hear. President Mahama's brother Ibrahim Mahama buys a jet of 70 million private jet after securing $205 million loan from Stanbic Bank. I said we never talk about it. Now I deal with about it no. Abayan sembebre obi eka de ordinary anaso obi eka de oni. Yes, also to say papa no eka nkyere Ghana for say ono de ne private jet dada no opeso mfa nkyere Ghana for. I'm say wow. Papa edwene Ghana for ho pa. But in any case, amanfo bi say na adentia all of a sudden Mahama ye president. Sabri woman anemia eto private jet. Abusia di owu ni bi ni dia wodwene ni bia no eye no kre. E wo se wonwene sa. John Daraga Dramani Mahama the first coming and then the second coming way. Onenimia Ibrahim Mahama and omubu mine. Ibrahim Mahama is acting in the name of John Mahama. Member awuram na macheso ni mabi. Enye ne ena esha se brebia Mahama bebe bi akonya bia nimia Ibrahim Mahama odi esomfaso. First of all, yen na be kai said 2006 at 12 here are John Dramani Mahama ebedi Ghana konya. Here would have been Ghana konya no 2016 and a 2 no. And seven men free bonten by you know. Ebi mabuabu ebinomano, ebinomia written, ebinomia by video evidence. Ye babet church but me person me kind of video no ebi chiro. One of them abronye abra na ochre. Kwan biswa sabio John Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama. Omoka omuhubo mu a omo ewri Ghana by. Yentie sa video no. Yetie sa video no wi a na yase abayachi. Na masiambo video foforo so achiro ba bia bra na John Mahama ye president nimia John Ibrahim Mahama otimi san check in 14 equivalent to millions and millions and millions of cedis e wo Ghana port tiare focus on kwako jisi omuko yiska no as a tax no na sa accounts no ye crossum years ago criminal thing. And more allegations be where it says you were John Mahama, Emma New Year, Ibrahim Mahama, Quenya, Manikuku Bank, be a friendly UT Bank. We were home, no evidence, to tell you, say, Mahama is in power. Ibrahim Mahama becomes the chief director of the country. The business, and I applaud it. The entire Abronia allegation were the John Mahama, Edemania Ibrahim Mahama.
Want to read you so. Namanugu asem so anameka say UT Bank. Ye marefo ne atiefo ahunye nti ane UT Bank enka oman bank ho biem. John Dramani Mahama ne nua ye frɛ no Ibrahim Mahama. Enne da bia ya me no kasai. UT Bank asaman Ibrahim Mahama bosia wakwa akogye 320 million Ghana cedis. Now, on the 18th of August, and a UT Bank in Pine 4, at the 2 Gasse, Bosiana Mahama J. Ya, and Namso and UT Bank Yaguno, Wamuan Casa Bank in Pine 4, Akofiamwa Bindi Nimu, at Krakrata, at the command John Dramani Mahama. Ebra no ye Ghana man panyin say unia Ibrahim Mahama aba ye bange ho aba beje bosia na bosia na waje no ni companies aye Jata Cement, Hodman Brothers Limited, MBJ Limited, any engineers and planners ni nyina ye Ibrahim Mahama dia wa ba beje bosia 320 million Ghana cedis. Na bank ne yede eguo enti John Dramani Mahama buaye na wunua no sika no onfa ya de maye enya sa adumayefo ebe se empem nsia 6000 a omo ye aduma nationwide e wo UT Bank no omo kwa akotena fi where 2016 omo start ye January etwa akwan sa akodo Mahama ho se ontie o manu asem keke eden krata ekirese Ibrahim Mahama aba beje bosia 320 million Ghana cedis. Sebeya enipimunsia 6,000 workers of UT Bank womon sabeko mano no amudi bia refie na amanfo sika omoso di akoto onom no amanfo di life so anopa kosi anumre omon sanka sika no eti buaye as a president unua na abeje bosia free ho nyesa say rate off 320 million na ye kire say UT Bank ebeguo we esi 2016 menamo kasa yafo former president John Dramani Mahama ne onam Ghana afana Ghana num about the collapse of banks no UT Bank ko ho eburu empredu January to December 2016 one fee omo ama nenua ne ka no 2018 ana bank impanfo wo matam Ibrahim Mahama ede ko Accra High Court a asem no eguso pende omo gisika no asem na mpanfo no ko ka kire John Mahama say unia na ntua sika na UT Bank beguo abam enti John Mahama John Darga Mahama former president UT Bank mpanfo ba ho e wo mampanyina soye fa unia Ibrahim Mahama sika sem ho no anamo be na tuye wodi unia ne to nchen a wo mo ka kire se bank ni beguo si won tua sika na eni pampem nsia na bekofie eni pa 6,000 oduomo dabi etine ye ma wiase afana nyina age atum sei John Dramani Mahama na ma ogana num efa banks no ho no eya numga ene Ibrahim Mahama ane John Mahama wo magu UT Bank amande Kofi Amoaben akwa akotena fie Ibrahim Mahama sika na okokwaji wo UT Bank ya enipa 6,000 atena fie ene binum ma enye na na dodanko Akufo-Addo ena ne interventions aboa binum na through the consolidated banks ebinum yafa binum omu ye aduma nka binum afa ho awu ebinum workers of UT bank ebinum abrabo ayedai asay ene Kofi Mahama ene ni Ibrahim Mahama enam bosia omukwaje ye a UT bank gu ye no mo manhwe Kofi sese na brabo mo manhwe arefo ye de kira mo ne Kofi abrabo na wo Kofi abrabo ne any UT workers or mutifie UT bank workers ye wie be biatum na workers na ankasa any mpanyfo amanfo mu save wo a confirm ye yi akira mo ne Kofi a ho kira wakom ena Mahama ene ni Ibrahim Mahama e wo man Ghana abutafo mo man hwe ne asie 320 million ana Ibrahim Mahama di ya ene UT bank agu mo hwe ne asie ni enwese sa nipa no ye mane bu man a e wo Ghana ha eni su I resign akwa trafie na eka me ne no na brabo no enti ne sa nipa we se oba be di president ya ni ya bi se ho se ehe e na ode oman Ghana ye den ekro sa nipa we nam ni so obo bank hu dawura ni ya bisa se bank nko aye nim kura no ni nua Ibrahim Mahama gu mienu ebra na oye president anamo be na otuye Ghana fo asensebe de mamo 7 December aba ye kwa akoto no ye to aba ama competent leader obi odwini nipa ho obi a onfa nipa enkwa ahotire mu bosia na tua ya bebo amane se to ho anamo no ase waje bank ni begu a emu ene campaign a wo ye uni agu bank enipa 6,000 tifie enso campaign wo ye da biai unia no sika wombi ekoba onya sika no wai UT bank sika no so ontua no wanya bi di amount nti ye papa.
Yes, and this is the first thing. The first time to see Nkasa Mfaho. John Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama no. O my Ghana no. O mwami no ene hweso. Enti bre bia John Mahama benya sabio akwanya obenya ba bia gyina bia no. Ni wi Mahama so ene ofa so ede ne nyuma. Ni wi Richard Mwakwaba. I say this Mahama government is pure family and friends, and this is the same government accused another government is family and friends. God will punish them, inshallah. As a American, Ibrahim Mahama no one nam hono. Only John Mahama or any senior brother. Omodo mudi o mane sum faso ene. Prebia Mahama bebe dia konya piano ni nwie Ibrahim Mahama no oye niema enye otan ena obi di tan obi ehse bia segana ni bi koso ye me ya da bia ye me yakora na me pese me take you back to 2014 15 16 13 dia Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama ye ebi ni de yeti ye tio UT bank yewra Ibrahim Mahama ye John Mahama ni nwie panyini New Year Kuma, Ekoje Bosia 300 million at one pier. That is the first one. Second, Yang yes Abra Panini Ibrahim Mahama or no 2012 num. Ebeda upon Tennessee. Papa Wei Ekokoji Sika neye 57 million Ghana cedis. Sabreno. Now we convert into euros so and as dollars now you 28 million in 2012. Sabrina Mahama no ye Ghana mampanyene 2012 as soon as John Mahama became the president that moment and a papa no 2012 no ma and a onu etuma na kwanya
man kwaje sa 28 million US dollars. And what cheap and a UT bank so okwaje 300 million cedis. But you tell me pa. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is there with his brother. And you will inquire who and your merchant bank ye sikaway our ekodin in Sami. Now let's read what is written here. Was it the merchant bank debt controversy 2012? The most prominent issue in 2012 centralized in engineer and planners E&P mining and construction firm owned by Ibrahim Mahama. Sir, engineers and planners no Ibrahim Mahama nimia Ibrahim Mahama ni company. The year trainer or han say merchant bank Emma Ibrahim Mahama 57 million Ghana cedis and a year equivalent to $28 million at that time. According to what is coming out, and they buy and say, Papa Nisikawe one pia neta, one pia na femene, afane wendikwa. Here no kwa, here fair no to any enquiry. Another thing says, sang or say, Papa we, seeing in a yete, Adena, I see a friend, AMERI deal. Ibrahim Mahama ba first time doom soje Ghana fire. Ya kwasisa generators. Edi firama no ne ba ya na generators no the producing price no ya tutum ya yena kese no. Allegations ba abontan ne say Papa we na oye part of the project. In fact, the AMERI power there was 510 million emergency power agreement signed in 2015 by the government, by the Ghanaian government, under the President John Dramani Mahama to address the national energy crisis known as Tumso. Ibrahim Mahama, the president brother and the CEO of the Engineers and Planners, EMP, was involved in preparatory civil works. Enough, though he denied any direct contract linked with the company AMERI Energy. So same way, go and send it to the docs. Bachotio, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, no yet president. New Ibrahim Mahama. And this is for generators here they produce power no. Papa win a contract in beginning some say ono na ye local contractor obe build the base and the amasa generators we no. Obe can say you had no direct contract. What do you mean by that? Yeah, I'll say Ibrahim Mahama's involvement. While the political opponent MPP accused him of being beneficiary of the deal, Ibrahim Mahama would clarify his role, technical role. His company, EP, was contracted by the state authority, VRA, to clean and prepare the Abuadze site to house the turbines. I think when I was saying a cry, since it was in Ghana buying then, and a contract on the company say, Omonko prepare a site and farmer their milling machine. Listen, no, I think when I was saying, they say, brother to brother there, and I'm a hammer made the man. And then brother the man. But saying in a back to Kulumuha, common restaurant. Ah, said you mammy, you would have another danko kufado and a baba. It could be any war. Kotoka International Airport. And then the Baye debate to Krumha, sending France and family affairs. there are a lot of things that John Mahama and his brother did when Mahama was in power. It is repeating itself today. Now, look at something here. Bam, another one. Another one. The same Ibrahim Mahama and his brother, 2012-2016. Or say, Yoko investigation, post 2012. In later years, the Economic and Organized Crime Office, Yoko, investigated Ibrahim Mahama for alleged issuing dumped checks to the Ghana Revenue Authority and for his business transaction with the Cocoa Board, Ghana Cocoa Board. 10 years 2012 we are in 2016. Ibrahim Mahama bim etuminya kukodro ekot kran ne mafra manone baye e de baye government contract Ghana Cocoa Board contract obedru port hono o sign check de maona check no ye kosi e kwa kwaji hu sika wo banga yes check na account no enye adwuma. That is another scandal, another tenor. Mahama Breso, New Ibrahim Mahama, Yem fancy ho. Equipment misuse allegations. This was another accusation. There were periodic allegations that EMP uses state equipment for private contract. Just Ibrahim Mahama no na Ghana mine ye caterpillar. Your drill machines, your excavator, your track and your machines, your Ghanaian property, your Minister of Health, a bit to me, made a quack cleaning or barbini, Numabino. Papa, we exercise the Koya Juma and more one Casana Katia, a quachi one Katia Gunipoto. At the end of the day, no, the ever top on trying to say those equipment has gone into him. At the end of the day, no, sa 2012, 2016, no, the yeti and say, sa cars and sa tipper tracks and excavator, no, sa nema na yedi by some fankoti or da sunum no. Sa tipper trucks na kane ho, or the year Jumabusika Gunipoto. This is what happened then. We are see do, Boafo Douglas Mokwaba. And Tebushanfue, Ibrahim Mahama and his brother are friends. They are two criminals. Bako actuality our politicism and all linked to New York private manner. Why who so-called private manner or into business and almost do poor man. And almost do poor man. Yanko yanim na hear the foforo. Bibim, what is next? This is what is happening here. Or say we my joy online or see the NDC government in 2012-2016 assembly again. The NDC government acting through the former Minister of Land and Natural Resources, Ni Osamels, on December 29th, 2026, entered into an Grand Eston Cubic Group limit mining leases to mine boxes in different concessions for 21 and 21 and 18 years respectively, and the Nyinahini concession is said to be one of them. Abronya wants an order setting aside the mining lease agreement since, according to him, it is a violation of section 5,4 of the Minerals and Mining Act 2006, Act 703. He said we will admit that some of the letters given to that company, Ibrahim Mahama, the permission to enter the forest, proceed the court action But judging from the public that is being generated of late, we are of the option that the head of state institutions in this sector should try. We think the MPP government can step up its game and not embrace in some of these needless debates. Well, in any case, as I can want to say, always in 2012, 2016, 31st December, 29th December 2020, 2016, Ana ya tuabawi ya Mahama we. Na Mahama we kura. Papa ni tumi ebo na homotene. Ya tuabawi o 29th December. Aka 8 days. Na Mahama must to go. John Mahama was able to sign an agreement of 18 and 21 years of mining Ghana bauxite at Nyinahini and other concessions for free. 70% of all this were going to the pocket of Mahama and his family. Yato Abario and Mahama yes idea. But the Yankopa says you ran another danko kufado and you about me or more buying bresso. Yet may bring it back the Ghanaians property. I had the bauxite. I am also different type of interchanges in the country. And in some way in our course, hey, do the video. In some way in our course, answer Yebeba 2026. And the video, a video where we buy. Maybe another American, we just say, I'm throwing a media where they TV 3 for Krana announce. A video no we buy. Now you call what is happening today in 2026
by Ibrahim Mahama have until the middle of May to pay over 10 million Ghana cedis in import duties or risk a range of sanctions by the Ghana Revenue Authority. The ultimatum from the GRA is the latest in the saga of the tax obligations of the former president's brother, which has had him being hauled before the Economic and Organized Crimes Office. He is said to have failed to pay import duties on heavy equipment imported into the country in 2015. And GRA officials tell Joy News the authority was compelled to renege on an earlier agreement to have Mr. Mahama settle it in monthly installments until December next year, after some of the post-dated checks he issued were drawn on bank accounts that since been closed. Ramona Kwa has more.
A heavy-duty equipment dealer, MBG Limited, and Holman Brothers, both owned by Ibrahim Mahama, brother of the former president, John Mahama, owed the GRA colossal amounts of money in import duties. According to the GRA Assistant Commissioner for Communication, Robert Mensah, MBG Limited owed 13.15 million cedis in duties as of December 2016, which was supposed to have been paid up by November 2015. The other company, Holman Brothers, owed as of December 2015 an amount of 3.71 million cedis. Realizing that getting the two companies to settle their outstanding debt was becoming a problem, the GRA, the Assistant Commissioner said, entered into a settlement arrangement with the companies. Under the arrangement, MBG Limited was supposed to make a monthly payment of 800,000 cedis from December 2016 to December 2017. The second company, Mr. Mensah said, was also to pay 192,000 cedis monthly for 13 months to clear its indebtedness. But the two companies defaulted, compelling the GRA to scrap the arrangement and demand full settlement of the indebtedness with interest, which has been outstanding since 2015. Ibrahim Mahama now has 2 weeks to settle this debt or risk the auctioning of the imports to defray the debt.
We are having reneged on at least 2 occasions. We want to go into that. We need a revenue.
Okay.
So we will have to now go into other instruments or controls within our system. One, to detain the goods involved.
But the goods are in his possession, not in your possession.
Oh, we can go after the goods anywhere they are. The other,
You can track them.
We can track them. The other, fortunately, these are not goods that you can easily whisk away to another place.
Anti-graft agency, the Economic and Organized Crime Office, last week interrogated Mr. Mahama over DAT checks issued for the payment of import duties to GRA. The GRA Assistant Commissioner for Communications says he couldn't comment on Iyoko's investigation since the authority did not instigate them. He, however, confirmed that checks issued to GRA as part of payment for the company's debt were returned.
I can confirm that number of 44 checks.
How many do you know as GRA?
I can't give you that figure. I don't have that information at hand.
Okay, so if it's unclear the number of checks issued, what was the response from these banks when the checks were sent to the banks?
No, we present it, so they will turn to us that these your checks were not honored.
Was it because there were no monies in the account or the accounts were non-existent?
In fact, they brought them back with a note or an advice that those accounts have been closed.
So you issued checks to accounts which were closed?
Exactly.
There are media reports the former head of the GRA, Mr. George Blankson, was invited Monday morning by Iyoko to assist in investigations into the issue of the DAT checks.
The Forestry Commission says the interference of some...
Yes, intervention so tie nsemi course away na Myanmar Ibrahim Mahama ne kwan a Brana Ibrahim Mahama the president of the republic in 2016, early 2016. Way niema happen here. But I don't want you to think say bia no that be 2026 way. Mahama as I'm a president. All of a sudden, and you might be a chassis with Ibrahim Mahama, na brabo, and near Marcus here. Adentia. And then, in just 1.5 years, Ibrahim Mahama Nkwa ultimately secure at least $1 million from different banks. Banks are how in one way or the other, connected to politics and private banks. You would have never tried. You would have had it. In 2025 and 2026, where AI and answer me, and Yamina Machuwe AI, or say, Timmy Paul, between 2025 and 2026, and a war matching, Ibrahim Mahama has secured 2 major international funding deals to expand his mining firm, Engineer and Planners, what they call EMP, marking massive scaling up of his business operation. First loan. The loan of 205 million, expansion loan, March 2026, and an Sakaya, $205 million dollars, and an Sakaya. He said, in one of these largest private financing deals in Ghana mining history, EP secured 205 million seats. I cannot see it, but well, $205 million secured with credit facility led by Strategic Bank and the Standard Bank South Africa with participation from Abbas Bank and Ecobank. John Mahama Niwiano, just in 2 years, 1.5 years, Niwiano, a president. Ononkwa, anya the bigger loan from banks in one way or the other, we are connected to politics, to government. $205 million. And an Sakai. And then I know the way in Chapia. 2025, July, you want say Eco Banks, Eco Was Bank, the West African nations and your bank, Ibrahim Mahama $100 million. And who is the chairman of the ECOWAS Bank? Ato Forsen. Mahama is a criminal. DNT Edisesika way Edema John Dramani Mahama Niwia. O say Edisesika way man say on fan konkoto voter black voter gold project. Black voter gold project. And I'm say John Dramani Mahama person Niwia Ibrahim Mahama into me meye owner of a mining site. And I'm saying, now, I can say, you would have John Dramani Mahama, the economy of Ghana, no, were championing into mining. Some mining activities, no. Ghana for no muye new marketing kitibi or kwambi so, and one no muye business, it will go doom, export to go da, no munya home bibi tafre. Papa na jini na. And Wamana Bay said Ghana economy will be on the mining site. I said the Bayer, the bush and a bit me control that sector, you know. Papa, you obey you be a able to me the loan, a free the ECOWAS Bank, Ama Ibrahim Mahama. Yeah, this kind of man, and a papa no black voter mining site. Just 6 months, for all why, for more than 8 years, Ibrahim Mahama to me and black voter no amana ye until say 6 months after he would an another uncle for and can be benched. It says something. It can't be. Near man happen just for happen's sake. People actually pushy. There is something behind that. A pushy this agenda. Now, they me and I say Ghana for man kasam faho. The mentality of Ghanaians and they say, a baby upon kwasiasem ne de asem eka. Yes, I go for adoba. Akwaji restaurant or airport. Yes, yeah, no, yes, state capture. But to be a buying a money to millions of dollars. Mandaji a mining property seen in 9 so yet the opera and a dear a man for Kasam found. A man for Kasam found. Obia in the past administration, are you dishonest? Etumijana and Mugu banks, Mienu, UT Bank, and a merchant bank, Ibrahim Mahama and the Guno. Ojilo ha, no Ajilo ha, Oka, or me brand a president, mean Pia. At the end of the go ahead, more money Sikano Fayena Juma. Or the coffee. Because you Mahama can say, President waiting like a son person or showing you corrupt. Because when they say you're not a bayer jumano, or then push him for any bit of mind now. That is what the Mr. President is doing. Ghana for more Mosorokoye campaign like a Sebua to Pankasier. More Namosa saying Modemo Musubi Mata, Muya NDC for you believe in the ideology of the NDC. NDC Amanyu Konuba Bible. And for so ben and wenya Ibrahim Mahama nkwa wenya loans bienu loans no or the back one mining site a year no ankasa ne personal property and also akwakoji another loan and also enam so eman DP akwakoto private jet abesi Ghana mahemu or the tree in sika $70 million private jet. Okoto de babisio. Se udi machi since I'm share me video ya. You can understand say every time Mahama is in power, Ibrahim Mahama and Niema akesi eba na brabum. all of a sudden, and the papa na kwa koto jet, and mono 70 million. Hence na baba can't Ghana for say, on only old private jet, no, or the bar for the Amagana for. Omo de sa o, omo bo krono na, omo di tu ho, na omo ye chofo na omo de ade ketewa bi afa wanim, na utima ye ode. Ghana for the door saying, and I'm promoting you sika. Now I'm promoting me reach it to you to give them a lift, emergency lift to Europe for treatment. Now why ain't trying to be to opportunity to go outside for treatment? More. You and your cronies, and this is from paying for and asking for, and no more, and no more. But Ghana for some be saying, we are man for the year post. John Ibrahim Mahama donate his old private jet to Ghana. That the other Ghana and the onka. Chrono ni ni bo. Apamo mo akose mo be du yen. And the monka ho asem. Eno monka ho asem. Omo ye ne panyin wo. Omo ye ne before. And omo gusu ye ne ne. And you were 4 years ahead of us. A friend yako 1.5 years. In 1.5 years. John Mahama has able to do this for his brother, on the brother and Kwan. Now 4 years, Baba. Abraham Mahama named that this is his last time. A failure, rare attempt of state capture. Who said, ne, before no creation. So munyaska. And if it's also quite public, or soon then. I don't say before there is no money in the system. A banner tran bibiaso. A banner broko bibia. A banner peso be sika free about 10 because si can be tin ni panahua. A moho ebe high one. A banner pese sebio and crofone sika betra on bottom into electricity bear kura. Electricity kura na obeto na enyunuko na kugu amanfo aban bottom because said the AC kono they have come to the limit. They can no more sustain the dollar. It has become very difficult for them to sustain the dollar. The omo hwekwa obefa so a omo de be create another artificial manner of having money in the coffers of the president, the coffers of the state. In the amount for no there, ye nyuna amount for who ene kuyajuma enya kono biem. Because Mahama idea of economy no enye kuyajuma sem eye by mining eye through mining. Because you Mahama ne sona the state of the nation address obey and annoy. Okasi ne pise the idea of the economy no it is to go through the mining site. Mining site no mena we yenye adwuma wo ho. Mining site no ni wi na because the companies no more Ghana Newmont to no nesa companies akase no they are not going to give their good to you. So their economy is different from your economy. So indirectly, John Mahama is positioning his family to become, say, economy, Ghana economy, no be on so. But Ghana 40 home, and a ye and a ye boy and some, and a ye tonyum, and a ye Mahama ye or top part, no why. John Mahama and his brother they are gradually capturing our state. Mahama wants to rule this country for a very long time. Said the Mahama yeah AMERI ne hwan ne hwan otimi de ne ho kwahyehyɛ mu a abra Akufo-Addo te akonnwa so na omutimi sabotage even the electricity system. That is the same thing that Mahama want to do, to make sure that they can determine how the Ghana economy should go in future. And that is the risk. That is the risk. Looking at how he is positioning his brother. Because Mahama Betra Ghana Konyaso, every successful man in the country has gone through a lot. Yeah, either you throw your office, OSP ho, and as you say, national security. All successful men has gone through harsh, except Ibrahim Mahama. Except Ibrahim Mahama. And that's what I was saying. There is something strong somewhere. And no naidi Ibrahim Mahama chia. Amana nya sa atumino. Na ninyi na nese ni Mahama na president. This is where Mahama wants to keep his family rich by acquiring state properties, by acquiring state resources through his brother. Through his brother. They no credit their plan. They came with a mission that must to be complete in their minds. For we any Ibrahim Mahama, any John Mahama, their family government no mugum no say nekro. Mahama is giving a lot to his brother. Mahama is directing the Ghanaians economy into the hands of his brother. Mahama is trying to make sure that the future economy of our dear country will run through the company of his brother. And in here, all the many of incentive, many laws are combining sector to favor his brother. Period. I was from the Dubasia, now trying to Kuponya Duma, assign a share meeting, and then Mr. Mafweha, a Ras Media, GH, or YouTube, or Facebook, essential TikTok. Measure so one subscribe, we are no subscribe, now don't say, I see a Domano so, said they be a me ba life for Ubemusema ba, now I be support to me. But the check is here, man, see to for Douglas, and a Miriam Richard. But Dubasia, Adiasa, now it's not. Until we meet again. Adios.